So I'm going to take my hair down. I'm going to do a rough draft of the hairstyle that I created this past weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right quick. And I'm not going to just get my hair perfect. Like I said, this is a rough draft because right after I do it and show you what I did, I'm going to be taking it right back down anyway. So I'm not going to try to get it perfect or anything like that. I'm just going to pretty much show you a rough draft on what I did. So I'm going to start off with the top, I guess. And I'm going to go ahead and pull all these bobbin pins out, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've taken my hair down. And I didn't take the ponytails down because I didn't want to go through putting my hair on 3 ponytails again. So I just left the ponytails in for now. Like I said, I'm going to be taking my hair all the way down so you can see it at the end. After I finish doing the rough draft of this hairstyle, I'll be taking all of it down. Basically, the first thing I did was I sectioned off some hair in the front. And hopefully you can see my part. Like I said, my hair is frizzy because it's old and I'm getting ready to take it down. But you can see how I parted the front of my hair. So I just left this section. And this is a section that I use for my hump. The rest of my hair in the back, I put it in 3 ponytails. And I'll turn around so you can see how I parted each one. I have 3 ponytails in the back of my head. I used some Expressions hair. And what I did, I didn't use the full bundle. I wouldn't say I cut it in half, but I cut it almost in half. And I stretched the hair so it have somewhat, so it won't be so blunt at the end. So I stretched it a little bit. And then I put a rubber band around it. A black rubber band. Now hopefully you can see that. And this is what I use to attach it to my ponytail. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to actually take this and I'm going to put it on the top ponytail on my hair. So I'm just going to attach it with the rubber band. I'm going to go around it twice pretty much. So I'll do it from this way in the front. Hopefully you can see it. So I'm just going to take it and attach it to my ponytail, the top one. And I'm going to flip it over. And next what I'm going to do, I'm just going to braid it. And I forgot, I also sectioned off a little piece of hair and I 2-strand twisted it, but it's messed up now. But I 2-strand twisted it. And I just took that and I wrapped it around the ponytail that I attached. And this is just to hold the hair in a little bit better and to give it a little design so the rubber band won't show pretty much. And I'm not doing this neat, like I said. I'm basically just showing you what I did to my hair for those who wanted to see. Like I said, this was a quickie hairstyle that I did. And I just pretty much secured this down with a bobbin pin. I just stuck a bobbin pin in it to hold the end of it. And next, I just flipped it over and I don't have it pinned down good, but you get what I'm saying. Next, what I did, I just took the hair and I just braided it to my hair. And as I went down, I added in my hair, the 3 ponytail, I just pretty much added it in as I went down. So I'm going to section the hair off in 3 sections. If I can. And before I did this, I actually brushed through this hair so it'll be easy to separate. But I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to separate. And you want to make sure that all 3 strands is even, which I'm not doing right now, but you want to make sure all 3 strands is even. And basically all I did was just plaited it down. can see all 3 ponytails is added into my hair. And I just continue to plait it all the way down. I'm hoping you can see this pretty good. And you continue to plait as far down as possible. I'm not going to do it right now. Like I said, this is a rough draft, so I'm not going to go through doing it so neat. And when you get finished, you want to add a rubber band on the end, and I'm just going to stick a hairpin on it to keep from coming down right now. Like I said, I'm going to be taking my hair right back down. So you want to add a rubber band on the end of it once you plait it down as far as you possibly can. As you can see how it looks in the back. And next for the hump, basically all I used was some Tease Kanekalon hair. So this is the hair that I used, the same hair that I had in there. And you basically just want to, it's a couple of ways you can do this. You can actually roll it into your hair, or you can take it and just fold it, or lay it in and then cover it up with your hair. You can do it that way, or you can take it and roll it in your hair like this. I find it easier for me to just lay it in my hair and just fold my hair over on top of it. So that's what I'm going to do. Whichever way is easier for you. And also you can take the hair and put it inside of a piece of a stocking and tie it at the knot and cut the ends of it out. It'll be much easier to deal with if you do it that way. So I'm just going to take it and lay it in my hair and fold my hair over on top. And pretty much I'm just going to do it until I get it shaped like I want. And I'm going to tuck my ends under the hair. So you can see, hopefully you can see that. I'm hoping I'm in view where you can see me tucking my hair in. And I'm just going to constantly do that until I get it shaped like I want it. Like I said, I'm not going to get it perfect. I'm just going to basically do a rough draft on what I did. And you want to stick some hairpins in there to hold it. And I usually try to get the sides shaped like I want it first. I usually try to do the sides first, and then I'll work with the middle of my hair. I find it's much easier to do the sides first and then shape the middle. So, yeah, like I said, it's not perfect. I would pin this down a lot better if I was getting ready to wear the hairstyle. And I also slicked my edges down right before I did each ponytail. I added a little bit of edge control on my hair. And gorilla snot, and I just slicked my edges up like that before I wore it. So, this is basically what I did to my hair. Like I said, it was really quick, really simple hairstyle, spur of the moment hairstyle. So now I'm going to take my hair down, and I'm going to show you the length of my hair right quick. So I'm going to take this out and then I'll be right back.